Hi, it is pleasure meeting you. And we have received a very good. Actually, we are looking for the gantry crane for our facility. So we contacted our office in China. So we got a very good response on the price delivery from IMX China. So they give me proper technical offers, including this capacity of the cranes, details. So we are also very happy because the quality they have mentioned in the offer, same we have received. Also special thanks to Tian spending time here in Oman for the installation and commission of the screens. So we also conducted the load test. We are very happy with the quality, products and specifications and the technical supports they have provided to us. We will recommend this product, these regions, all the leading clients, and you can also reach us anytime to check the durability of this product. Thank you. Nice meeting you.
三个，谢谢。